In this video, I will show you how you can turn off notifications on your iPad Air. Now, there are two methods to do so. For the first method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Notifications. On this page, if you scroll down a bit, you will find a list of the apps which are able to send notifications on your iPad. Now just select the app which you don't want to receive notifications from, and then disable the toggle for Allow Notifications. And after you disable this toggle, the selected app will not be able to send notifications to your iPad. Just like that. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Focus. From here, just tap on Do Not Disturb, then tap on the Apps section. Now under the Apps section, just select Silence Notifications From, then tap on Add. And from this app list, just select the apps from which you don't want to receive notifications. For an example, I will select these apps, and after you select the apps, then just tap on Done. Then just open the Control Center on your iPad and tap on Focus. From here, just enable Do Not Disturb. And after you've done that, you will not receive notifications from the selected apps from your iPad, while Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.